Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in the International Christmas Wreath Challenge, and it is hosted by several beautiful ladies. Kiki at Kiki's DIY, Michelle at Chelles Glam Home, Janny and Diane at Deco Easy, Mom at MomDas Life Handmade, Ruth at Kentucky Frey'd Fun, and Styled with Hat. Are you ready for wreath? Well, I am. All we needed to do is decorate a wreath for the Christmas season. Alright guys, and this is the wreath that we're going to decorate. This is a 45 inch wreath. Probably gonna keep the bow. We're gonna take the ribbon off and we're just gonna add a few touches. This wreath goes up on our house outside, so we will not be doing too much to it because it has to withstand the weather. Also, this will not be going up on the house today. It's a little bit too early to hang a wreath up. So we'll be doing that a little later in a couple of weeks. I still have fall decor out on my front of my house. So we're gonna just jump to it. So we're gonna decorate it hanging on the shelving unit that we have here, since we're not going to place it in place at this moment. So excuse the clutter and the backdrop, but again, this is the garage, okay? We're gonna use this ribbon. It's like a candy cane type ribbon that we found at Walmart for under $3, I think. Very pretty. They do have a bow to match this, but the bow is too small to put on this ribbon, and where this wreath is going, it wouldn't do it any justice. As you can see here, we have a bag of ornaments from Hobby Lobby, filled with ornaments here that we're going to attach to the wreath. Not much is going to be on this wreath, but we want it pretty. It is going outdoors, okay? So we're going to get started. So we're starting with the ribbon. Reaching towards the back here to attach the ribbon and just twist it on, and it should stay. I'm tugging on this and it's not going anywhere, okay? Try my hand at making a bow. If you've been watching me, you know I'm not really good at making a bow, but we'll see how we do. Doesn't have to be anything too fancy. Because again, it's going outside. What I'm going to do, I'm going to tie it together with another strip, and we're going to call it a day. Just use up all the ribbon that I have here. this a little bit and get it on here, and we'll go from there. So what my husband has done, he took a zip tie and we placed 3 ornaments on the zip tie, and we're going to zip tie it to the wreath. That will ensure it stays as well. So that's how it looks.
And then all you have to do is go and cut the little tip off. And that's it.
So we have several more to do. I have a set of, I think, 7 or 8 of these. And that's one. So here is how the wreath looks so far. I'll take you around the wreath. Look at the ornaments. We added 5 sets of the ornaments on here, the set of 3. I think the candy looking ribbon just sets this wreath off. Now we're going to add one more element to it, and I think we're going to be done because it really needs very little. Okay guys, and this is, you can see I have fall still up at the present moment, but the wreath is going to go up there on that huge window up top there. We put it there last year, but we wanted to kick it up a notch a little bit with the ornaments. Hello. And to finish it off, we're going to add these poinsettias from Dollar Tree. They are a clip-on poinsettia, and I love using these during the holiday season. Glistening of the poinsettia matches the bow.
And the ball.
And the balls, right. So that's perfect. Done there. And that's beautiful. Now guys, my hubby and I last year went in Michael's, and they had this same large wreath. Actually, we purchased the wreath from Michael's, but they had it all dressed up, and that wreath was worth over $500. Now, I can't recall how much we paid for the wreath.
We got it half off, I think $40.
We paid about $40 for the wreath itself, okay? The bow we purchased from Christmas Tree Shop last year. That was about maybe $5 or $6. Ribbon, $3 at Walmart. These bulbs purchased at Hobby Lobby, 90% off sale. And of course the poinsettias, $1 each. So way below the $500.
So wait a minute. Me and you put it together, priceless.
Okay. You heard that, guys. Priceless, because that was time for me and my hubby to spend together decorating this, and we had a ball doing this together. Alright, so I'm going to give you a final look at it. You will see it up later on our house at a later time because it is cold. It's actually below 58 degrees here now. I have on a jacket here in Florida, and the sun is going down. So I'm going to give you a final look and we'll close it out. I would like to thank all of our hostesses for being gracious hosts hosting this collaboration. I had so much fun participating in this. Please go over to these ladies' channels. I will have all of them linked in my description box down below, as well as check out the beautiful playlist that will be available, and that will be listed in my description box as well. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I am so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I am so glad that you are here. I am so thankful, grateful, and blessed that you are a part of this family. Don't forget to follow me on my social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. All of those links will be listed in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.